Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on down in Birmingham? Want you to come in with me. We got something a little crazy today. We'll talk about it when we get inside. We got a lot to go over. Come on in. So everybody, there is no electricity here, okay? This is a foreclosure, all right? Now, with foreclosures, a common misconception is that we can buy them with financing. That is not the case. Foreclosures, we need to buy with cash. Banks are not gonna finance foreclosed homes because if something needs to be completed, the bank's not gonna do it for the home sale to pass. So for example, if there are structural issues with the home, banks aren't gonna finance them and they have nobody to go to pay for the financing, okay? Now, we're in the living room here. Bear with me as the lighting's gonna be a little tough because it's raining outside right now in Birmingham. A combination of that and the fact that I stepped in a fire ant pile about 5 minutes ago and I think they're crawling up my leg and I'm getting bit about every 30 seconds. So guys, here we are in the living room. We got a nice hole in the wall, what used to be a fireplace. Somebody just took a piece of drywall and covered the fireplace up. So not doing great, not a great start. Not a great start. As we transition from the living room into our first bedroom right here, we see never a good sign to see in a house, which is caution tape. This entire wall is exposed. There is rotting wood throughout. We have horrific plumbing issues. There are piping that used to be connected that's gone, okay? Galvanized pipe, it's old pipe. We'd have to rip all this out, put PVC over all this. Here you can see the tub in the bathroom. We would have to redo this. I doubt any of the electrical is done the right way. We'd have to do all new electrical, all new plumbing throughout this entire house. Gonna be very costly. So, of course, all new doors. The doors are covered in mold spores as well. So we're gonna try and get through this quick so we're not breathing it in too long. Coming into this little alleyway, we have our bathroom, which is absolutely disgusting. The entire thing needs to be gutted completely. Every aspect of this bathroom needs to be gutted. And of course, this door leading to the bathroom, just covered in mold, as you guys can see.
Only 5 foot tall.
Yeah, it's a small door as well, so covered in mold. Moving into this bedroom, what I didn't mention is that first bedroom needs a closet built as well. So this bedroom, the whole floor is totally slanted. We're gonna have to get under this floor and jack it up. It's in pretty bad shape. We have rot on the walls. We have to redo all the trim in here as well, but the trim is kind of the least of the concerns, okay, of this house, guys. Really, really bad. Moving into the kitchen. The kitchen floor, as you can tell, needs to be completely redone. We need new cabinets. We need new appliances. We need new stove. We're gonna rip this whole piece out. This is horrific. Look at this window unit. My goodness gracious. Would I like to see a date on this? Again, this is gonna come off. And I'd like to preface the fact that the client of mine that has this under contract, we have it under contract. I don't know if we're gonna move forward with it. It needs a ton of work. The contract price right now is $28,000, I believe, on this, but it needs a new roof. It needs a new HVAC system. It needs almost a complete gut of the interior of the house. We're looking at extremely significant rehab numbers, upwards of probably $70,000 to do this thing the right way, if not a little bit more, and that's just kind of the things that I can just see. So guys, this entire floor literally needs to be rebuilt. I can see underneath, oh my goodness, somebody just stuck a piece of wood. Look at this, guys. That's a far way down. There's some pipes and tires and stuff down there too. That's not a fun place to fall. So And as you guys can see, obviously that was just put in there by somebody. I'm gonna leave it like that so somebody can see it and they don't step there. Of course, guys, it's a full gut. I mean, look at this. There's rot there from water damage. God only knows where that's coming from. All the electrical is needing to be redone. The walls are separating. Come over here, Kyle, if you would.
Yep.
The walls are separating too, which is gonna make me believe that the joists underneath the house are starting to either sink and they're pulling this wall down, which is pulling that wall away from the ceiling. So that's kind of a telltale sign that you have issues with the structural integrity of the house. Guys, moving into here, watch that step. We have a very strange den area. Again, huge holes. It's very off-kilter. It feels very strange in here. We have water damage pretty significantly coming in here through the ceiling, which is why there's mold here. The roof is practically falling off the house. And coming in here, we have bedroom number 3, significantly sloped, outlet problems, holes in the wall, window looks fine, but needing to redo everything here as well. Every door, every frame, every floor, every wall, every ceiling, every bathroom, and the kitchen. So guys, again, some serious issues here with holes, okay, exposed. Someone took a piece of plywood and just threw it over this right here. Coming off the back, guys, you can see this nice deck. I don't know if that would sustain your family barbecue. This entire thing needs to be removed, disposed, and rebuilt, and it's big. It is a very large deck. So we would have to take this and tear this entire thing down, including the weird roof that it has on it, and trash it and rebuild another one. Guys, moving into bedroom number 4. Oh. Nice hole in the ceiling there. So guys, moving into bedroom number 4, you walk right into bedroom number 4, and there's your closet, okay? With a gigantic hole in the floor. Okay, so just about everything, guys. I mean, there's virtually not one aspect of this house that we wouldn't have to fix. So this is one of the strangest things I've seen in a while, everybody. And you walk in here, and of course it's terrible. You get the porch off the back. I feel like I'm doing this in this bedroom. It's like totally sloped. But you walk in here, and you have a shower. You have a shower. Just completely out of nowhere, tiled incorrectly, not grouted.
Bizarre.
Totally bizarre is right.
How about the commode?
There's no place for a toilet, obviously. This is just a walk-in shower that has exposed outlets. I mean, it doesn't even make sense. So, huge issues here, guys. It's just ridiculous. We'd have to take this, obviously. I don't even understand why you would have this here. We'd have to turn this into if there was plumbing here, we would turn it into a toilet, a bathroom. But if not, we wouldn't even do that. So, it's, it's totally pointless, and if we're not going to turn it into a closet, we would just turn it into a toilet. But if there's plumbing, there's no drain cut, so I don't even know if there's plumbing there. So, guys, that's all I got on this one. I mean, you're talking about just a terrifically large, gigantic rehab here. Don't know if it's going to be worth it. We're going to have to look at the comps in this area and see what the ARV or the after repair value would be. On 28,000, if we put in 70, 75K, we're going to be into this thing for right over 100,000. In order for that to make sense for us, we're going to have to make sure that it's worth about 120, 130 after we're done with it, and it's going to have to cash flow a lot. I mean, we're going to have to rent this thing out for, I think it'd be able to get $1,400, $1,450 a month with the new 2023 fiscal year standards, but I don't know, and I don't know if we're willing to take that risk. So I'm going to get with my client and kind of see if this is worth it for us. You know, I do like what could be done here, but it's a long way away from that, and we're gonna have to discuss it and see. Guys, if you would buy this, drop those questions and comments below. Let me know if you would, if we shouldn't, if we should, and what kind of things you would do in here and what you wouldn't do. Otherwise, we'll see you next time, and look forward to it.